What's up, dance party? Today we're going to do a video on how to juice for beginners. I am giving you some juicy tips that you don't want to miss, so stay tuned till the end. First, you're going to want to get a green produce bag used for fruits and vegetables from the grocery store. Next, you're going to put the produce bag in the trash compartment of the juicer, and I am using my Jack LaLanne juicer today. Doing this saves so much time and makes cleanup so much easier, so you're going to want to do this. It's best to juice with organic fruits and vegetables. So get your pen and your paper and take notes. Let's get started on this video. I'm storing my juice in old bottles that I saved from smoothies at a store. Let's get ready to bartend. Mix it up. Yet. Easy cleanup. The grating piece is something you definitely want to clean up before or soon after you drink your juice. If you let it set, it's harder to clean. When you get your juice, you want to drink it within 15 minutes because oxidation takes place and we do not want it to sit out. We don't want to lose the nutrients and enzymes that we juicing for. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos.